Hello, food lovers. Welcome to today's episode on Bountiful Food. Today, I'm going to be showing you a special recipe that you can achieve at home on a low budget. There are different kind of salad, but this time around, I'm going to show you the amazing salad. Guess who taught me this recipe? My darling husband. Okay, so let's get serious now. So today I'm going to show you how to make salad at home using what you have, the ingredients at home, and a very nice homemade recipe. So you can achieve this on a low budget. Guys, I spent nothing less than 2k just to get this amazing salad ready. So I'll be showing you all the recipe. As you can see, I've shown you the carrots, the cucumber, a cabbage, we have granules, we have the condensed milk, we also have vinegar. We'll be adding vinegar to this salad. That's what makes it to be very special. So food lovers, I'm showing you how you can get this salad ready. You have to cut them into your desired shape and size. As you can see, I've grated the carrot, I've cut the cabbage, the cucumber, I've cut it into box like a rectangle shape. I didn't mention we are adding egg to this salad. Yes, so these are what we are using: our carrots, our cabbage, our mayonnaise, including the groundnut. The groundnut is what makes this recipe to be so special. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how we mix all these things together to achieve our sumptuous salad at home, a low budget sumptuous salad. So guys, let's get this done. So we'll get a very neat bowl and they are going to mix them together. Remember our mayonnaise, we are going to add this together with the condensed milk. So we get the bowl. The first thing, we add our cabbage. Cabbage is the first thing we add to the bowl. Then we'll now add our vinegar. This vinegar helps us to retain more nutrients and also kill every bacteria or germs in the cabbage. Do you understand? Then you stir it nicely, like gently stir the cabbage and the vinegar together. When you finish stirring it, then you keep it and you add our next ingredients to it, which is our carrot. We must have grated this carrot. As you can see, it's nicely grated. So you add it together and then you turn it together. Remember, carrot is good for eyesight. Guys, if you're having problem with your eyes, or your eyes is always bringing out water, I will encourage you to always eat carrots. It will help your sight. They are going to add our cucumber. Look at the size of this cucumber. It's not too big, it's not too small, it's just a rectangular shape. And they are going to add our groundnut. This groundnut will help it, give it that special salad taste. This is not the usual salad. As you can see, this is the special salad. That's why we are adding groundnut to it. So this, can you see that black thing? That is a pinch of grounded pepper, the Cameroon pepper. The Cameroon pepper gives this a beautiful fragrance that adds a nice aroma to it. Then we'll add our mayonnaise to this mixture. We are going to turn it together. After turning it together, guys, remember our condensed milk. So you are going to add this condensed milk to this mixture. You add enough of condensed milk because condensed milk is very sweet. It has a sweetener, so it will help it to be sweet. So guys, we'll turn it together. Oh my god, I'm already salivating for this salad. let's move on. So we stir it together. Make sure that the condensed milk is evenly stirred together, including the groundnut. Stir it together, guys. You can't get this salad anywhere. It's a unique recipe for everyone. I need you to try it. You need to try it at home. So I'm going to add our egg to this mixture. The boiled egg, we've cut it into small shapes, so we'll stir everything together. Remember not to stir it too much because of the egg, so that you still see it when you bring it out. So food lovers, this is our amazing special salad that we made. Thank you so much. Bye.